Every child struggles with confidence sometimes. But what if one playful game could instantly make them feel like a superhero? Hi, I'm Dr. Iva Paneva, a psychologist, theater director, and media researcher. In this video, I will show you a simple drama game that you can do with kids anywhere. It will help them feel braver, smarter, and more confident.
Are you ready to do this game?
Yes.
It's a game about visualization and to imagine that you can do whatever you want because it's about confidence. Imagine that you are a superhero character. Close your eyes and then just imagine that you are this wonderful character that you would like to embody. Picture it in front of you, and also how does he or she look like, and who she is, or who he is, or it is, whatever it is it a creature, is it a man, is it a woman, is it an extraterrestrial, or is it something totally unimaginable? You're now this superhero yourself. And you feel powerful, wonderful, strong. Stand the way this creature actually stands. Feel powerful. Who is this?
Wonder Woman.
Why does this work? Research shows that our body posture shapes our emotions. Amy Cuddy, a Harvard psychologist, famously said, "Our bodies change our minds, and our minds can change our behavior."
Wonder Woman!
Next time that your child or your students feel afraid, anxious, or not brave enough, let them play this game, the superhero game. Let them stand tall and confront everything they're afraid of, because the superhero is within us. And remember, being confident is not about never being afraid. It's just about finding the inner strength, or finding our inner hero.